Today we are talking about Acadle, a tool that lets you to build your own online academy and training system without hiring developers or using the complicated softwares. Many people want to teach online or train their teams, but they struggle with the technical setup. Acadle makes this simple because you can create courses, lessons, quizzes, and even full learning environment in a very easy way. And with the lifetime deal, you can get all of this without worrying about monthly payments. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to find the best deals and simple tools that actually work. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to check the link from the description to get the discounted offer link. And you don't need to use any coupon code because the discount will be applied automatically when you use the link from the description. Now let's take a deeper look at how Acadle works and why it is becoming such a popular tool for online learning. When you first open Acadle, you can get a clean dashboard where you can create your academy with just a few clicks. You don't need to design everything yourself because the platform already gives you ready-made templates. You can build a structured learning system with lessons, videos, downloadable materials, and quizzes. Everything is organized inside the academy so your students or team members can learn step by step. One of the strongest part of Acadle is that it makes course creation feel simple. You can drag and drop your content and you can upload your videos or embed the external content. You can also divide long lessons into smaller sections so the learning process is easier for your students. If you want to create the paid courses or private training for your business, Acadle supports both. You can allow only selected users to access the certain lessons, or you can open the entire academy for public learning. Another useful thing is the user tracking system. You can see how your students are learning, where they get stuck, and which lessons they completed. This helps you to improve your academy over the time. If you train your employees, this also help you to check their progress and make sure everyone is learning the required skills. Acadle even supports the gamification, which means you can add badges, scores, and certificates. This makes learning more fun and keeps user engaged. When people finish a course, they can download a certificate, which makes your academy look more professional. A big advantage is the white labeling feature. This means you can put your own branding, your own logo, your own colors, and make the entire academy look like your own platform. If you run an agency or a training business, this looks very professional and helps you to build trust with your clients. Now let's talk about the main reason this lifetime deal is attractive, and that is online learning platform usually charges every month. That becomes expensive when you run a long-term academy or many students account. But here you pay once and you can keep using the platform without additional cost. So even if your student base grows and you don't have to worry about new payments. This makes Acadle great for creators, trainers, the companies and agencies who wants a long-term solution. If you want to explore the lifetime deal for Acadle on AppSumo, check the link in the description, and remember, when you use the link from the description, the discount is applied automatically, so no need to use any code. So thank you so much for watching this video. This is Easy Access Tech, helping you to find the best tool for your business in the simplest way. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel, and don't forget to check the description for this special deal link. And I will see you in the next video.